What's the meaning of arguable? Arguable. Arguable.
Arguable. Arguable. The word arguable is an adjective that means capable of being debated or disputed. It suggests that there are differing opinions on a particular topic and that reasonable people could disagree about it. When something is arguable, it doesn't necessarily mean that it's true or false, but rather that there are valid arguments that can be made for both sides. It relies on subjective interpretation and individual perspective. In short, something is arguable if it can be subject to debate or discussion due to its inherent complexity in different perspectives surrounding it.